Hey everyone, my name is Juan and today we'll do an unboxing of the New Balance 4 Bounces. Kawhi is currently playing in the NBA bubble, hoping to get into the NBA Finals with the LA Clippers. Last Thursday, the New Balance Facebook page announced the upcoming release of Kawhi Leonard's first true signature shoes called the 4 Bounces. For some reason, they don't have any size 12 pairs available, but this size 13s will do. Now let's open the box. These shoes, called the 4 Bounces, pays homage to last year's last-second shot of Kawhi versus the Philadelphia 76ers in a Game 7 win that ignited the Toronto Raptors' NBA 2020 championship run. Ironically, the shoes were released yesterday, the same day the Toronto Raptors were dethroned by the Boston Celtics in another closely contested Game 7 winner-take-all playoff game. Though the Raptors no longer have Kawhi and are no longer the champions, these shoes are still pretty awesome. Now let's have a closer look at the shoes. The shoes is made of synthetic upper with braid-inspired stitching similar to Kawhi's hairstyle. Now let's take the 4 bounces for a spin and on-feet test run.
15 fourth quarter points by Kawhi Leonard. And the game winner, 41 points.
The shoe is supported by a huge NB logo heel cup made of hard plastic with Kawhi signature on top. Just love the design of the shoes. The midsole uses fuel cell technology that comes with a clear outsole and a full-length shank for support. I'm normally a size 12, but since the fit of the shoe is quite narrow, the size 13s fits me just fine. There's also a lot of wiggle room for my toes, just the way I like it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. Always remember to wash your hands and brush your teeth. Have a great week ahead and have a good one!